Hi guys, it's me Ubprogrammer, and today we will learn about Docker, and I'll be demonstrating the use case why you want to use it and how you can use it. And before that, I want you to know if you are working on any custom project, you have any idea, you are building a product. If you want, you can book a session with me through WhatsApp, email, or fill out this form. All the info is here, what we can or how we can help you in your project. Okay, let's get started with today's video. Docker, I will just do a Google search. What is Docker rather than pairing a PPT? Okay, so Docker is a platform which runs application. Now it's my language, I am not reading as it is. I'll make it simpler for you. So Docker is a platform which runs application. Okay, so you are getting the idea, like it will be a thing which runs your app, right? So let's say I have a app. I will go to projects, and in the projects I have plenty of projects, right? All of these are machine learning, deep learning, AI related projects. Let's say I choose a car price prediction, right? A simple project, but it comes with some of libraries. Let me open the main file app.py. It's a Flask app, and it has some library: pandas, pickle, numpy, obviously Flask, right? And it, if I run this application, it will run on my this system, this whole system, uh Windows, with operating system 10, and then whatever the RAM, hardware, whatever it is, right? And I have all of these libraries installed. But if I want to share this with anyone, with my friend, with my subscribers, if I share it like this, like I will say, let's I have this requirement.txt. It is, I think it's, I have named it as this one. So you install all of these, and uh, then you can run it on your system, right? But maybe in their system they are using Mac OS or Linux, right? And the versions they install might differ with the operating systems, with their internal configurations. So that will always be the case, or an possibility that it might not work, right? To build exact same system which I have here, right? So Docker solve this problem, right? uh, and how it solves, it will create a OS, or it will create a full machine, just like a virtual machine, and it will run your app on that, right? And wherever you have Docker, then you can upload, or I don't want to use the terminology like images for now, but if you know, that's a plus point. But if you have Docker anywhere running, then you can build that environment, or whatever operating system or requirements, dependencies you have, exact same on any other machine which have Docker, right? So if I Dockerize this application, I can then run it anywhere which has Docker, and it will respond exactly as same in my system, right? I can be sure of that. So this is what Docker does, and Dockerize an application means exactly this. You are building a virtual machine which will have all the requirements or dependencies to run your application. Okay, so I hope it is making sense. I will be obviously doing practicals, and we will see how to dockerize a Flask app, how to dockerize a Django app, how to dockerize whatever, right? Fast API, React, any application you want to use. Okay, so I think that's it for this video, introductory lesson for Docker. I'll meet you in the next one. Thanks for watching.